Welcome to the Alpha Online Training Program. My name is John Lee, and I'm the president of Alpha Training and Consulting. Today we're going to answer the question, why choose Alpha for your ASQ CSQP exam preparation needs? First of all, I've been teaching ASQ CSQP principles. CSQP, by the way, is Certified Software or Supplier Quality Professional. Certified Software Quality Professional. I've been teaching CSQ principles for over 2 decades. Also, I have passed all 18 ASQ certification exams. There's not many people out there that can make that claim, but I have. I've done that. What does that mean for you? Well, I have a vast amount of experience understanding ASQ. I understand the way ASQ thinks. I understand their value system. I understand what they test on, and I understand how they test on it. And I will prepare you for all of that using all of this valuable experience that I've gained from getting all the ASQ certifications. I'm also a Shingo winning author for my book entitled Rising Above It All, The Art and Science of Organizational Transformation. Also, part of your exam preparation class is to teach you how to take an exam. You see, part of the class is getting the information in your brain, but it's a whole other skill set to take that knowledge that you've gathered and apply that to an exam in a testing center environment. Well, my class prepares you for that as well. It's one of the major competitive advantages and why Alpha has such higher pass rates than other organizations. We teach you how to take an exam. We teach you test-taking skills and test-taking strategy, and it will make all the difference. And you will never take tests the same way again. You'll be much better at taking tests. Also, you can schedule live video conferencing sessions at no additional charge. So if you're struggling with something and need some tutorial time, you can contact me. We'll schedule that in my calendar and your calendar, and we'll get together and I'll go over any questions that you may have. I'll be honest with you, we don't get a lot of these scheduled. Why? Because our class is so very thorough. But if you do need help, I'd encourage you to contact us and let's get that set up and help you get through those problem areas. Also, your exam prep class is taken through our online LMS, Learning Management System, and it is very well organized. It's very user-friendly. It's very easy to use. It's also very, very reliable. We don't just have one IT person taking care of this website. We have a whole team of people taking care of the website. Also, we'll give you 2 years access. Most of our competitors only give you 1 year's access at most. Why? Because what we want you to do is pass the certification exam. That's number 1 objective. Number 2, once you get that certification, is to apply your knowledge into the workplace, because that's where it's really going to help you get promoted and everything else. Well, if we give you 2 years access, once you pass the certification exam, then you go to apply it and let's say, oh, you know, I need to create an SPC chart. I can't remember how to do that. So you go listen to it. Oh, no problem. And you go create the SPC chart. We even have some software such as Excel for SPC charts and stuff like that that can help you as well. But we're in this for the long run. We want to help you be successful. Also, Alpha has the best warranty in the industry. We guarantee that you will pass on the first attempt, and if you don't, we will pay for half of the cost of one retake. To qualify for this warranty, you must, first of all, if you fail, you must request payment, finish all exams with a grade of 75% or above, review the ASQ handbook, finish all the practice exams and final exams with a score of over 75%, and retake your certification exam, of course. But if you meet all of these requirements and you do fail, we'll pay for half of your retake. Why do we do that? Because if you do all these things, it's highly unlikely that you're going to fail the exam. All right, this is the process we follow to get you ready for the exam. First, you go online, you'll listen to the online lectures and take the associated exams. This is the most time-consuming element. It's going to take you about 44 hours to go through all the lectures and another 32 hours to take the associated exams. Second step, will be to review the handbook and watch lectures on practice problems. So I have a lot of practice exam problems, and I go through and show you how to solve those. The logic I use to get the correct answer. If it's a math problem, I write it all out for you, and that seems to be very helpful. So I'd give you about 30 hours to finish that step. Take practice exams until you get 80% or above, and that's probably going to take you about 4 hours of work there. And then you'll go take the ASQ CSQP exam. That's 4.5 hours. If you add all those hours together, it equates to 114.5 hours. Now that's an estimate of the average. Some people will take longer than that. Some people will not take that much time. And so if you wanted to finish this in 3 months, that means you would have to set aside 9.55 hours per week to finish the class in 3 months, on average, remember. All right, we also have a website designed specifically for the CSQP class, Certified Supplier Quality Professional. And if you go to this website, it'll have links to probably, I think there's 10 or more videos there, show you how to register for an ASQ exam. It'll go over the body of knowledge, etc., etc. It will teach you about this certification, but it'll also teach you about our class. Also, we have another website here where you go to take your class, and that's at www.alphatc.com. And you can go here, and like I say, this is where you go to take the class. This is our LMS system, Learning Management System. And also you can go in there and go to the Training Catalog button up here. There's a tab up here on the home page, and you just click on it, Training Catalog. Go in there, type in the search engine CSQP. It will pull up this class. You can enter the class even though you haven't paid for it. You can see everything in there. Full transparency. You'll see all the lectures and the exams, etc. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at john.lee@alphatc.com, or you can call me at 801-599-1579, and assuming I'm not teaching a class at the time, I'll answer that and we can talk. If not, leave a message and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Well, thank you for joining me this video. Hopefully you'll choose Alpha for your ASQ certification exam preparation needs. I'd love to have you as one of my students. It'd be a true honor. Thank you, and have a great day. Goodbye.